So last week we built a raised bed for Ruby so she can do Hugh's book veg in one bed. Something that needs to be done in the month of April is transplanting broad beans. Now we've only got 2 broad bean plants up at the plot. We've got a few more at home, but we didn't bring those with us. So Ruby's just digging up these plants now.
My plan was to cut a little square around it, but that's not really worked. So
that's it. Get it underneath. There you go. Right. So and just for a minute, we're just going to lay that on the soil.
That's really healthy.
Yep. And if you get the next one up, I'll get that plant label out of the way. So we can start off with 2. Excellent, Ruby. You got loads of roots there as well. Good, good, good. Right, are you alright with both of them? Okay, I'll bring the little fork. We'll take them over to your bed, Ruby's bed.
I'm so tempted to jump over there.
Right, now, if we were following the book exactly, we would have potatoes there, but because it's only a small bed, we're not going to crowd it out with potatoes, so we've moved it along one. We'll put the broad beans at the end. So
to have 8 broad beans.
I can't remember exactly how many the book said, but we'll use what we've got. So we'll put 2 in now, and then we'll bring a few more from home and put those in sometime over this weekend. So will that fit in there? Yeah? Okay, just put the soil back around and then firm it in, and then once we've planted them we'll have to water as well. So looking at the size of this bed, I think if we just bring 1 more plant from home to plant in the middle, that should be pretty much us done. Right, Roo, go and get it in there, love. Firm it around, and then, like I say, we need to water. So we'll get 1 more from home to put in between those 2. Broad beans done. We still need lettuce next to the broad beans, and then at the end of the bed, radish. But we have a cunning plan. So next step is lettuce next to the broad beans. Now, I've just been out on a job with work, and driving back I went past the garden centre. So I thought as a little treat for Ruby, I'd buy her some pre-grown lettuce. We could do it from seed, we've got plenty of lettuce seed, but I've bought a tray of coccarde lettuce, and apparently it's a large oak leaf lettuce with superb flavour. Deep green leaves with a red overlay. And it's a cut and come again type.
And it tastes amazing.
Right, so very gently, Roo, I've dug you a little trench for planting. If you can try and separate a plant, we'll put 1 in first.
This looks the strongest.
Get as many roots on it as you can. Now the thing with this is I reckon we can plant these fairly close together as well. So I'd say do that with your fingers, and that's how much distance you want in between each one. So start at the far end, love, just makes it easier. Ace. Wonder if I can, I don't know if I can do this left-handed. No, I was going to say you just put some of that soil around it to keep it in place. Yeah, next one, do it a little bit less of a gap if you can. You can get more in with this.
Oh, this is scary. There?
Yep, about there. Knock some soil from there around down that second one as well. There you go. It's fine, it's fine.
That one won't stand up, it doesn't like.
I think you've got more than 1 plant here, Roo. You've got about 3 here, love.
Okay, let's separate them. Oh no, just leave them.
So 2 more, and then that's the lettuce done.
Should I try and get strong ones or not?
No, just set them from the end. Keep working down the line.
I just got sows.
That's fine. We've been very much looking forward to this bed, haven't we, Roo?
Yeah.
You because it's your bed and you want to get growing, and me because I'm keen to see how well you do. I think you'll do really well.
I hope that with my radishes, I'll beat Mum and Dad with who can harvest stuff the fastest.
Well, if you're going to be planting radish seeds today, I think you will definitely win that race. So things grown from seed this year, and who gets the first harvest, I think it's definitely going to be you.
Well, these were grown from seed, so I can say these were mine.
Right, last lettuce. And the rest we'll put somewhere else. Try not to cover too many leaves up if you can. That's how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I say 5, there's actually about 2 or 3 plants on that particular clump. Right, so there's quite a decent amount of lettuce there. That's good, that's good. Right, so you know what we need to do next with the lettuce, Roo? Water it in. So the next thing which can be in your bed in April, following Hugh's book, is radish seeds. You can sow those out. So we've got some black Spanish radish, and we've also got, does it say the variety?
Normal
Just
radish.
French radish they're called, and it's the classic red radish with a slightly white bottom. So we're just going to sow those out. So Ruby, if you make a shallow drill with the side of your hand, because they don't need to be sown deeply. Nice and straight. That's it, she's getting any big lumps out. Good girl, Ruby.
It's a bit too big.
Okay. Are you happy with that? Right. There's your seeds.
Do I just go crazy?
Well, tip some into your hand. And then go like that, Roo. Once they're in your hand, go like that as you move your hand along.
Kind of get to be a bit crazy.
So these are the French radish. Okay, you've done quite a few there. Right. So where did you get up to? About there?
About there.
Okay. No, I can see one there. Look. So get the other radishes and put some of those in. So what are these called? Black Spanish, is it?
Black Spanish round.
Black Spanish round. Ace.
And it has a picture there of what they look like on the inside.
Yep. Okay. Right. So get some of those sown.
Oh, should I put more in than that?
No, that's fine. So it was about there, wasn't it? From there onwards.
Yeah.
Not all just in one lump, are they? Have you spread them out quite? Have you got any towards the end? Get a couple more in there,
put
love.
normal ones or
Just whatever's closest. Get a few more in. There's far too many there. You don't need all of them. Just get a pick. Come here, I'll do it. Just get a pinch. Like that, and we're just going to scatter those, look. Right, so next thing, Roo. Gently cover them over. They're still nice and shallow.
I'm like tickling the soil.
Right, I can still see seeds popping out, love. And then I'm going to firm it down so the seed's in contact with the soil. You know what comes last?
Water.
Water. Right, so Ruby's got the watering can. We're using a rose on this so that it doesn't come out in a big heavy spurt and just knock the seeds all over the place.
Just like rainfall.
Just like rainfall, exactly, Ruby, good girl. Right, so Hugh's bed is taking shape. And this is from the book that ACS channel kindly got us off our wish list. So you've got some good stuff planted there, Roo. Fingers crossed, and we'll see how it does. We'll keep regular updates with the progress.
Like and subscribe, like and subscribe.